Are you tired of trying to go back and forth with someone to schedule an appointment? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save time by setting up a Calendly account. Welcome to The Heck with the Tech with Tech Boss Jen.
Okay, everyone, I am showing you how to set up your Calendly account for free. So go to calendly.com, go to sign up, and I will sign up with my email, jennifer@techbossacademy.com. Get started. You can do it like this, but I'm not going to do it like this because you all don't have Office 365, but this email is attached to it. But you can also, you know what, I'm going to do that because this could also be your Google. So you just sign up with your password. So here I'm signing up with my password. So it would do the same thing if this was a Gmail. So it's actually easier to do it that way. But if it's not a Gmail, then don't do it that way. Or if it's not a Microsoft, etc. So you get my drift. Okay, so create your Calendly URL. So I'm going to create TechBoss because you can give somebody calendly.com/TechBoss, and then they can get right to my calendar, my master calendar, that is. So here is what's really important is that you sync your Calendly account with the calendar that you want to check for conflicts. And then this one, when they check your calendar, which calendar are they going to add the events to? So I usually connect my calendar to my work one, my 9 to 5, as well as my Tech Boss one, because I do multiple things. So you have to just figure out which calendar you want to sync it with, and you can set that up. So here they're asking us what available hours are you going to have for people. So I'm going to have it set up from, let's see, 9 to 5, and then on Mondays I'm not available on Mondays, and then I'm going to be available on Saturdays. And I don't want every day to be 9 to 5, but that's kind of like the default. And then I will show you how to specify specific days. This just asks you what you are, then finish. Now here's where the fun stuff starts to happen. Okay, great. So create an event type. These three things are actually event types. So you can actually create your own as well. So I'm going to create an event type, and I'm going to call it, event type is like a meeting type. So I'm going to say 15-minute discovery call. You know how everybody has these discovery calls, right? Then you can say by phone, Google Meet, or Zoom. This is really awesome because it automatically connects to your Zoom account, or if you have any of those other things as well. So I'm going to connect it to my Zoom account. And look what it will ask me. Hey, you better integrate it. So then I'm going to click on here to integrate. I clicked on it and this opened up, connect Zoom. And then I'm going to log into my Zoom account. I'm going to authorize it. Awesome. So now it's going to tell you what to do, but I already told you what to do. You just click the Zoom. So go back over there. Okay. So I have to start it all over again. So click create event type. It's going to be a one-on-one meeting. Okay, event type is 15-minute Tech Boss discovery call. Location is Zoom. And then I can write anything here. During this call, we will discuss how we can work together. Okay, and then here is the link. So if I wanted to send them directly to this particular event, I would send them this here, Calendly.com Tech Boss, and then this whole thing here. But I don't like that. I'm just going to put 15-minute DC for discovery call, and I'm going to make it blue. There we go. Save. So we go next. Oh, gotta be lower letters. Fine. They want lower type. Okay. So here's where all the editing does. So I suggest for date range, you say 7 days or 14 days into the future. That way someone cannot book you a month in advance. Like, I find that's just way too far. So maybe you want to do 7, 14. So for this one, it's 15 minutes. So I'm going to change this to 15 minutes. I can either use the existing schedule. So remember the schedule that you did at the beginning, right? So you can either do that and see it's on 9 to 5 every day, or you can set custom hours. So now I'm going to actually edit. I don't wake up that early on Saturday, so I'm going to say 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. because I want to have Saturdays sometimes. And maybe for this particular one, I want to add Sundays. So let's see. I'm going to say 11 a.m. to 12. I'm going to do 1 hour on Sunday, just in case. Then I'm going to say I want to have a buffer. So even though it's a 15-minute call, I want to have a buffer before for 15 minutes. Maybe I need to get ready for the call, and then after the event, I'm going to have another buffer. Maybe I'll just do, you know what? I only need 5 minutes to get ready. And then after the event, I'm going to put 15 just in case this call goes over. I like having a little bit of a buffer so that it's not running into another call. And then add additional rules for availability. This is kind of cool. So perhaps you want to have, you're going to show increments of 15 minutes so they can book at 2 or 2:15 or 2:30 or 2:45, or do you want it just to be 2, 2:30, 3? So depending on what increments you want it, you can set it here. And then maybe I want to set it up so that they cannot just jump on my calendar within 5 minutes. Maybe I need a 1 hour. So if I gave somebody my link right now, they cannot book before 1 hour from now. And then maybe my max that I want to talk to people, I want to only talk to 4 people in a day. So you can also put your max there. So once it gets to that max, nobody else can book, which is kind of cool. Okay. Automatically detect and show the times in my invitees time zone. Definitely. Make this a secret event. Only people who have the Calendly link can schedule with you, so no one else can look. No one else can see this. If they go to your calendly.com/techboss, they can see all of the events. But if you don't want people that go to your home page to see it, then you just click on that. I'm just going to keep it off for now. Okay, so now I'm going to go back up here to invitee questions. So I'm going to ask for their name and email for sure. And then please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. Maybe you want to add that. If this is a phone call, then you want to make sure you add phone number. Apply. Now I'm going to make it required. Oh, what is, so enter your phone number. You may even want that anyways because you may want to do a text. I'm going to move that up. Okay. Then go to next. Okay. I don't really touch these. I mean, you can, but you have to pay for that. So then notifications and cancellation. So what's kind of cool is when they schedule it, they get an invitation. So if you click on here to personalize, you can write, something in here. Looking forward in speaking with you. Tech Boss Jen. Okay. And then I'm going to turn on an email reminder so that they will get an email reminder before their event. You can also personalize it, right? You don't have to. Email follow-up. If you have something that you want to follow up with them afterwards, you can also follow up and put it in here. Thank you for your time. Please do not forget to sign up or to join my Facebook group. Pretty cool, right? So you don't even, remember we talked about automation? So when you're done with your call, you can actually just put in, oh, sorry, this is, yeah, up there. When you're done with your call, you don't even have to email them. You can have it set up automatically. Jen, okay. I put it in the wrong spot. Okay. And I'm going to set it up to send an hour or 2 hours or whatever time after you speak to them. Okay. Close that out. You can also add text reminders, which is also pretty cool. And then I thought that was a pro feature before, so I guess it's not, which is amazing. We don't need cancellation policy. I didn't even touch that. Save and close. Next. Okay. Confirmation page. So this is the page after they've scheduled an event, what they see. So right now it's set up for display Calendly confirmation page, or you can redirect to external sites. So if, for example, you have your funnel and you have this Calendly page, and once they sign up, you click on the link and it brings them to this Calendly page. You can actually have it set up to go back to your thank you page if you wanted, for example. But I'm just going to keep it here. Save and close. Okay, great. So now we have to integrate our calendar. So go at the top. See, it says integrations. Okay, so there's all these things you can integrate with, which is pretty cool. So I am going to integrate with calendars at the bottom. So right now it's connecting to this calendar. I don't even use a calendar. I'm going to disconnect it. And I'm going to add my Google Calendar. I'm going to add a few of them because I have a few. I'm going to add my Boss Life Mastery one. I'm going to add, and you can add up to 6, which is really cool. I'm going to add my, what else I'm going to add? What's the other one? I'm going to use another account because I don't see it there. Let's see, actually, yeah, I'll add my work one. And I think that's it for now. I'm going to allow that. So even though I'm going to add both my calendars for it to check, so it's going to check to see, do I have any conflicts? But when it checks for conflicts, I want it to go to my Boss Life Mastery calendar. I don't want it to go to my work calendar because that's separate. Okay. The other thing you would do, if you click on availability, you can make a new schedule, for example. So say I have a schedule for, let me see, this is for my consultation calls. Consultation calls. And I only want to do consultation calls on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. That's it during those times. Great. Okay, so I'm going to have that. And maybe I have another kind of calendar. Maybe this is for my 60-minute tech sessions. And I'm going to do those on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I'm just making this up, and Saturdays. But I just want to show you how it's done. Okay, so now what's kind of cool is when you go back home and you go to create an event. This is what's pretty cool. If I go to create an event type. So maybe this is my 60-minute Tech Boss call. It's by Zoom. You remember all this stuff? Okay, I'm just going to go 60 Tech Boss, just for short. We're almost done. Okay, so now guess what? 60-minute text sessions. I don't even have to go and mess with it every time. I could just boom, there it is, and I'm done. Of course, you do all the settings that we talked about before. And now, here's what you do. Now someone says, oh, I need an appointment with you. You can do one of two things. You can share one calendar link with it. So if I click on share, you can copy that page, copy this URL and give it to them. You can add it to your website, and I can show you how to do that. So copy link, come over here, paste it, and look. Oh, there's no times available for me. Yeah, I'm pretty busy. So go, let's see, when's the next time I have a 60-minute call? Okay, so remember I said Wednesday and Saturday. Oh, that's why. It's Wednesday and Saturday. So someone click on Wednesday, Saturday, look at all the times. I'm going to click 9:30, confirm. I'm going to put my name, Jen, there we go, my email. Please share anything. I just need your help, please. Okay, here's it. This is where they would have seen that message that I had put. I forgot, I didn't write anything for that one. Schedule event. And remember, it's going to redirect them, and it redirects them to here. Count. Or the other thing that you can do, you see all of your, I have 5 events there. So you can either share one of these events, or you click on this link and you could share your entire page. So if I go to Calendly.com TechBoss, I can share that, and someone can schedule any one of these 4 calls. But you may not want to do that if you don't want someone to be able to get all of them. You may want to send them a specific one. And sorry, here it is. There's, you see all 5, you see all 4 of them right here. Okay, so now the other thing you can do that I just forgot is you're going to set up your profile. So if I click on account, there's all sorts of profile things here, and there's share your link. You can add users to this. Go to account settings, and you upload your picture so that when they come to your page, they can see your picture. So I'm going to just quickly add my picture so you can see. So, oh, it's a fuzzy one, but that's all right. And then, hey, set up a time to talk to me. Don't really know what else to write. I'm going to save it. But here's is also kind of cool. What I like about Calendly is you can actually brand it. I can upload my logo. Let's see, launch like a tech boss. There we go. Okay, save changes. I'm going to actually take that one off. Take off Calendly branding. I want Calendly branding on. And there's my link if I want to change it. And I've logged in there. Okay, I think that's all I want to do for this. So let's see, anything else I want to do? I think that's it. Want to email it? Okay, I think we got it. So let's go to my link and see. Copy it, paste it. There it is. There's my picture. Boom. Click on it, and you see the logo. Isn't that awesome? Okay. One thing that I will share with you afterwards is how to embed it into your website. If you want to do that, you click on share. There it is, share. And then you go, if you want to add this to an email, you can do that as well. Add to website. So if you want to have it embedded, if you want to have the widget pop up, if you want to have a text pop up, you can click on embed, continue, and then you can copy this. But here's what's pretty cool. You can change the colors to match your brand. So I want to change it to, I don't know, darker blue. And then I go copy code, and that's it.